day, brother.
Good day.
Are you not going to church today?
Can't you see I'm not feeling fine?
What happened?
I'm sick. I'm tired. In fact, I'm broke. Everything is doing me.
It is well with you. Don't worry, yeah? I'll tell Pastor. I'll pray for you.
Amen.
Few moments later.
My friend, I hope all is well. This one that you are sleeping.
All is supposed to be well, but as you can see, all my body is just paining me.
Are you sure?
Don't touch that place. Everything is doing me. All my body is paining me. I'm feeling weakness.
It's like you are not go to the birthday party. Well, me, I'm going.
Scope Petenya. Birthday party.
I'm going.
Fear not. Life is all about surprises. Don't worry. There is no but. There's no but. Let's go and chop something. There is no. We'll reach there, we'll bought everything and enjoy myself. Let's go and enjoy ourselves. That's what I'm cool. Let's go and enjoy. Hello. I'm talking to you. You are carrying away.
I didn't know you were talking to me.
No problem, Sha. I would love our conversation to continue because you are a beautiful fine girl.
Thank you. Oh, you have an F?
Of course.
Okay.
Just press your number here.
Oh, sorry. I mistakenly pressed the power button.
Scope Petenya.
Can you open it?
Why will you go and press the power button? Press your number there, you went and press the power button.
Yeah, but I wanted to press my number.
You are not wanted to do anything. I wanted to put your number here.
To be an issue? Oh my god, guys, this waste. Please get a torchlight. I don't have an iPhone.
Give me, my brother. Also, when you not go to borrow iPhone to the toast girl.